Have you ever noticed that even when your salary goes up, your bank account balance stays exactly the same at the end of the month? You wake up, sit in traffic, work all month, pay your bills, and then the exact same cycle starts all over again. This endless loop is what we call the rat race. And the uncomfortable truth is that most people stay stuck in this race not because they do not earn enough, but because of their spending habits. The middle class works the hardest and pays the most taxes, yet they endure the most financial stress. If you are making good money right now but still are not building real wealth, you have fallen into the middle class trap. Today we are going to break down the 5 things keeping you stuck in this race and how you can finally escape it. The first and biggest trap is lifestyle inflation. For most people, there's an unspoken rule. The moment your income increases, your lifestyle automatically upgrades. If your salary jumps up, suddenly you feel the need to finance a new phone, eat at expensive restaurants, and buy designer clothes. What is the result? Your income doubled, but your savings are still sitting at zero. Wealthy people do not do this. When their income goes up, they keep their lifestyle exactly the same and use that extra money to buy assets. Until you stop letting your expenses grow with your income, you will always be a slave to your paycheck. The second thing keeping you in the rat race is the illusion of good debt. Society has brainwashed us into thinking that taking out a massive loan for a car or swiping credit cards for everyday things is completely normal. Banks sell you the lie that paying in easy installments is a smart financial move. But when you finance a brand new car, you aren't just paying the price of the car, you're paying a huge amount of interest to the bank. And remember, the moment you drive that car off the lot, its value drops heavily. You are going into debt for an item that loses value every single day. This is why half of your life is spent just paying off the bank. The third trap is probably the most dangerous one, relying on a single source of income. Warren Buffett famously said that if your salary is your only source of income, you are one step away from poverty. Many believe that a secure, high-paying job is the ultimate goal. But what happens if the company downsizes tomorrow? What if you get sick and cannot work? Your entire financial world will collapse in an instant. The wealthy do not rely on just one paycheck. They have multiple streams of income, whether it's from stocks, real estate, a side business, or digital assets. If you want to escape the rat race, you need to start building a second income stream in your free time. The fourth trap is the belief that simply saving money will make you rich. Since childhood, we are told to save every penny. But in today's economy, if your money is just sitting in a regular bank account, you are actually losing wealth. Why? Because inflation is silently eating away at your purchasing power. If the bank gives you a tiny return but the cost of living goes up twice as fast, you are technically losing money every single year. The middle class saves money, but the wealthy invest money. They put their money to work so that it can go out and bring more money back to them. The fifth and final trap keeping you from getting rich is the need to show off. This is the classic trap of trying to keep up with everyone else. We buy expensive clothes, luxury watches, and the newest gadgets just to impress people who don't even care about us. If a friend buys a big car, we feel the urge to buy a bigger one, even if our bank account says no. This fake wealth is destroying your future. True wealth is often quiet. People who are actually rich do not feel the need to prove it to anyone. They spend their money on buying back their time and freedom, not on buying status symbols. Escaping the rat race isn't easy, but it is entirely possible. You have to put your ego aside, control your spending, and learn how to make your money work for you. Which of these 5 traps are you currently stuck in? Let me know honestly in the comments below. I would love to see where most people are struggling right now. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so this message can reach more people who need to hear it. I will see you in the next video.